hard truth number one is deals are harder to find than ever before in this industry. Now, I've only been in the industry for a decade. I've got friends who've been in 3-4 decades, but I cannot imagine there ever being a time where laundromats were more in demand than they are right now, and less inventory available right now. So I know I talk to people every single week in consulting calls and stuff that, in webinars, all that deals are hard to find all over the place right now. And that can be super frustrating. I know a lot of you guys have expressed a lot of frustration about that. However, I just want to point out that there's opportunities everywhere. Okay. Just because deals are hard to find doesn't mean there aren't deals. So here's the opportunity in my mind is that those of you willing to persevere and put in the work will find good deals even in this market. Okay. Now it might take a little more effort than it normally would, but those deals are there. There are lots of people retiring from this industry right now. There are laundromats that have been mismanaged. There are, neglected laundromats and zombie mats around that need somebody to come in and fix them up, right? So there are opportunities out there. And those of you who are willing to put in the time, effort, energy to persevere and hunt for those deals and be proactive about it, you will find a deal. So take heart in that, be encouraged by that. Yes, it's difficult right now. However, the opportunities are there. The deals are there. You just got to go find them and compete for them.